Hello children, good morning all of you. Today for class 10, ICSE, CBSE and West Bengal board also. Section formula, part 9. That means you have already got more lesson. You must go through that lesson. Especially there you will get the formulas. Formula you have to learn and you have to remember also. Now please pay your attention on the board. Sums given from M.L. Agarwal's book exercise 11, sum number 9. Sum you will get in your book and here it is written clearly. AB is the diameter of a circle with center this. If A is this, find the length of radius AC and the coordinates of B. Diagram I have drawn here for the sake of explanation. You may draw or may not. If you draw the diagram, then it will be easier for understanding. You may draw also the diagram. My suggestion, you may draw the diagram. Here AB is the diameter of circle with center C. That is C. This is the center C. Minus 2, 5 and the coordinates of A, that is given 3 minus 7. We have to find out the radius. Radius, that is center to circumference, that is AC. AC is the radius and formula, that is distance between points A and C, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square unit. After writing the formula, relevant values we have to put here, that is we are considering this is x2 y2 and this is x1 y1. So minus 2 minus 3 whole square plus x y2, that is 5 minus 7. For the formula we are getting minus here and here coordinate is given minus 7. So within first bracket we have to write this 7 in this way. Now minus 2 minus 3, that is minus 5. 5 minus minus plus 5 plus 7, that is 12 square unit. 5 square, that is 25 and 12 square, that is 144. By adding we are getting 169. So root over 13 square, root 8 square will be eliminated. Then it will be 13 units. The radius of the circle 13 units. First part is completed. Next we have to find out the coordinates of B. That means we have to find the coordinates this point. Let the coordinates of B be x, y. Coordinates of B x, y. And C, centrally the midpoint of AB, since it is the center. Therefore, x equal to x plus x2 by 2, that is the coordinates of the midpoint. Y equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. After writing the formula in place of x, that is the mid center, that is minus 2. In place of x we have to write minus 2 and x1, that is we are considering this is x1, 3 plus x by 2 and y1 that is this y that is 5. So 5 equal to y1 y1 that is minus 7 plus y2 that is y by 2. Then by cross multiplication we are getting 3 plus x equal to minus 4 and minus 7 plus y equal to 10. By interposition x equal to we are getting minus 7 and y equal to 17. Therefore the coordinates of B is minus 7, 17. This is the answer. If you follow the step and if you remember the formula, easily you will understand. Next sum. The line segment joining A and B is divided the ratio 1:3 at P. Sum here is written clearly. You will get in your book also, that is sum number 11. Here also same thing, diagram you may draw. X axis x to x dash, y axis y dash. According to question, AB is the segment which intersect y axis. This is the y axis, intersect y axis at P in the ratio 1:3. And coordinates of A and B is given. Coordinates of A, that is minus 1 5 by 3 and B, that is A 5. We have to find out the value of A. Here what's are given, that we have to write here the line segment joining A and B. This is divided in the ratio 1:3 at P. The line segment AB intersect y axis. When any line segment intersect y-axis, then x coordinate will be 0. X coordinate 0. If it is intersect x coordinate, then y coordinate will be 0. This is why the x coordinate equal to 0. Let the coordinates of the point P, let the coordinates of P, that is 0, y. Now section formula, that is x equal to mx2 plus mx1 divided by m plus n. By applying the formula, in place of x, here the value is given 0, and in place of m, that is 1, and in place of x2, that is a, and plus n, value of n, that is 3, and in place of x1, that is minus 1 divided by m plus n, that is 1 plus 3. Then by calculation we are getting this by cross multiplication, 1 plus 3, that is 4 into 0, and this is a minus 3, and a minus 3 equal to 0, therefore a equal to 3. The value of a is 3. Value of a is required, so we are getting the value of a 3. This is the answer. Next part, we have to find out the coordinates of P. Again, by applying the formula y equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. This is the formula. We have to find out the y. Here m is given 1, and y2, that is this 5, y2 plus n is 3, and y1, that is 5 by 3. After putting the value, and m plus n, that is 1 plus 3. After putting, then we have to simplify. 5 plus this 3 will be cancelled, so 5 plus 5 by 4, 1 plus 3, that is 4. By cancellation it is coming 5 by 2, therefore y equal to 5 by 2. Therefore the coordinates of P is x coordinate already we have got 0, and y coordinate we are getting 5 by 3, therefore the coordinates of P is 0, 5 by 2. Sum is completed. Very simple, very interesting also. You have to follow the step attentively only. Okay, thank you everybody.